So hey there guys, it's Speedster here. So today I'm going to show you about the GSXS 750. So I'm in Suzuki Gem Automotive Showroom to show you the Suzuki GSXS 750. So without any further ado, let's check out the bike. So this is the bike, as you can see here. So this is an inline 4 bike. So it comes with 749cc of power with 1114.2 bhp. So the bike generates power 1114 bhp at 10,500 rpm and the 18.1 Newton meter of torque at 8,000 or 9,000 rpm. So the fuel capacity is on 16 liters. So this is the instrument cluster, as you can see right here. These are the selectable power modes. You can select by clicking it here. This is your passing light, it's your indicator, it's your horn light. So you can flick those traction control and power modes in between. Then you have to set the select button to engage the traction control or power modes you want to select. This is your exhaust. So it comes with free flowing exhaust, as you can see. So it's 749.5 cc. The bike is very good. So in terms of power and everyday ride usability, this bike performs really well. So you don't have, I think you have the ride by wire throttle over here. So it's your kill switch, it's your hazard light over here, and it is your power starter. So as you can see right here, so this bike comes with Nissin brake pads. It is your 310 mm disc rotors with 4 piston radial mounted calipers. As you can see is the Nissin, powered by the Nissin brakes. So it is also USD forks, 43 mm inverted USD forks. So moving on to the rear, I think this is your 280 mm single piston floating calipers. So this bike have dual channel ABS over here. So the rear tire, as you can see, it's the 180 section tires. The tire size is 180 by ZR 17 M/C tires over here. And the front one is your so this have dual channel ABS. This is the front look of the bike. This is your DRLs. So it's not, I think it's not comes with LED, it's your halogen light. So these are your indicators, these are your brake levers. So you cannot adjust the brake lever or clutch levers. So the same goes, but you can adjust the brake lever as well. As you can see here, you can adjust it. So the handlebar is pretty right. So the bike does come with 3 power modes. One is your for full power. The power 1 mode is you have full throttle over the bike. It completely on full power. So the second is for balanced ride. For everyday usability, if are going on crucial condition, the mode 2 is for perfect for that condition, and the mode 3 provides you with maximum level of traction control. So this bike does have 3 traction control system. So you can turn off the traction control if you want to pop up those wheelies, but you cannot disable the ABS over here. You cannot disable this, but otherwise this you can select the traction control, you can turn it off as per your recommendation. So that is also a nice bike. That is the GSX-S SF1 250, sorry, this is the 250 variant. So the bike is very good. I think it compete against Kawasaki Z900, your Triumph Street Triple RS. I think if you choose this bike over any other bike, one thing is for sure, you can ride it for every day. This is a very good thing of this bike. The usability of this bike is very good. So it's an inline 4 bike. So if you want to have performance, you can change the exhaust on it. It's the stock exhaust with the baffles in it. The foot pegs are also quite up front, so it's a very good. You can see the engine over here. This is your engine. This is your inline 4. So if you want to know about this bike, this is the BS4 variant. The BS6 version doesn't arrived in showrooms yet, but look at it, man. If you want to buy this bike, just go for it. You can book this bike. You can call the Suzuki Gem Automotive showroom. If they can tell you all the details about this bike, all the specification of the bike, what is the EMI, what is you have to do, the criteria before purchasing the bike. They can tell you everything about the bike. So thanks to them. So it's only available in 2 color scheme variants. One is your black and with these blue accents. It's looking really nice. Those shocks looking also pretty nice. So the front one is, I think it's non-adjustable. For the rear one, I think you can change the damping settings or rebound settings. You can change it. So this is your instrument cluster, directly taken out from Suzuki GSX-S 1000. As you can see, it is here the brand marking GSX-S. So one thing I have missed out on this bike is the ex-showroom price of the bike. So the ex-showroom price of the bike is kind of 7,54,000 ex-showroom. So this is the BS4 model.